Welcome back to AMC Bulls, everyone. So I'm going to go over with you guys on APLD, a major breakout that we had in the AMC Bulls, and we mentioned them breaking over pre-market highs at 156, jumping all the way up to $2.29, going to extended hours. What exactly has to happen to continue here, and what exactly give us confirmation on this breakout today? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button, and if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to jump into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on APLD. Then I'm going to go over the daily chart with you guys so you guys can see what exactly has to happen for us to continue. Again, I'm going to go over Bitcoin as well because APLD very much is following with Bitcoin's strength. I'm going to go over exactly if Bitcoin can continue as well. So jumping into the 5-minute chart, as you guys can see, we did continue on above pre-market highs at 157. We did continue on higher. As you guys can see, we did have a symmetric triangle midday, and we were looking to see if we can continue. And sure enough, we did break out of the symmetric triangle. We did continue on higher. As you guys can see, we did not have an increase in buy pressure at that point in time. However, we did have our EMA lines that have been holding over our MACD, showing us that we still could continue throughout the day. And as you guys can see, as we did come over, we did consolidate within our symmetric triangle and broke above it and broke into higher highs. Did mention breaking into higher highs also in the AMC Bulls room, and sure enough, continued on with that pressure here as we had our EMA lines holding above here. And now, as you guys can see on the 5-minute chart, we are slightly curling down. As you guys can see previously, when we did curl down at these levels, especially as high as we are, higher than we have been all day, we are curling down. And if we do continue to curl down, we do cross down, then we could continue on lower. However, if we are looking for a possible setup to continue on higher going into tomorrow, if we do have this curl back like we had at this point and we do continue on with that strength to the upside, then we will have confirmation at this point, looking for that confirmation to continue on higher. Just like if we continue to curl back here and we do continue on higher, we will be looking for that confirmation on this break going into tomorrow. Now, again, right before we go into extended hours, we did jump over $2. I want to see if we can hold $2 going into pre-market to see if we can continue on into higher highs and hold over 2. And jumping into Bitcoin strength, as you guys can see, we did have a pullback right before going to extended hours. As you guys can see on our MACD, we are crossing below our MACD. That is a sign of a rejection to the upside. So we are going to be careful with APLD going to tomorrow, because that could be that rejection that we get on APLD continuing on below $2 if we do continue on with this rejection going to tomorrow below the median of our MACD. And jumping into our relative strength, as you guys can see, we are pointing down on our RSI, showing us that we still could continue on lower. We also are below the median of our RSI, showing us that we have room to run to the downside. So we are going to be careful very much so here on these Bitcoin plays. But again, if we do continue on into higher highs here on Bitcoin, breaking over 23,700, and in my opinion, breaking over 25,000, which is a very key point here on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, we have a previous rejection to the downside here at 25,000. So I'll be looking to see if we can jump back over 25,000 to have room to run to the upside for that possibility of APLD to continue. But again, overall, a very nice breakout that we had here with APLD. There was other Bitcoin breakouts like Mara that we mentioned in yesterday's watch list, multiple breakouts that we had in the Bitcoin sector, but the biggest Bitcoin stock breakout here with APLD on the day, a very nice breakout in the AMC Bulls room. Now, again, with that said, guys, if you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instabulls that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate everyone. You guys, we're going to continue to go at it. Stay patient, take what the market gives us. Again, very patient day today, but very nice breakouts today. So we're going to continue to take what the market gives us and continue to stay patient. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.